somewhere here. Okay, directly get into what is omega. Omega is root of GL by 2 or root 3G by L. Mathematical part, IO omega square equal to MGL by 2. Solving this, there's a value of omega. Now, what are the things? So let me take a small element. At a distance x. Now, what are the forces that are acting on it? Tension T plus dt and T, and also a pseudo force dm omega square x. So minus of dt is equal to dmg. Problems of like this, only the weight rod also will come into picture in determining that. Without this, we are done. Rod rotating, then what is the tension at a distance x from the axis of rotation. So here what happened? Effect of gravity also will come into picture. Okay, why? So like a x I'll measure from here, no? X I'll measure this point will be 0. X increases, tension decreases. dt by dx will be negative. Is brought. As x increases, tension will decrease. You see that t plus dt here t. As x increases, tension dx will be negative. So this will become some books what will happen, they have sign now, not in the first step. Now, because here as x increases, so dt by dx will be, so this will integrate. So tension at x equals 0, at x equal to L, tension will be, and I'll put in, make careful of, at x equal to will be 0. It is, so it's asking tension x, let T be the tension. This is x equal to L, this is x equal to 0. Everyone it is breaking, or only few specific voice? Mm-hmm. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
I think there's some problem is there. Okay, this minus t I forgot. Okay, this will be minus t g x minus L lambda omega square x square minus L square all divided by 2. Solving this will be lambda g L minus x lambda omega square by 2 L square minus x square. Put x equal to L by 3, you'll get the required answer. Just without this, we have done some rotation mechanics has brought it, the decrease in the tension is not just depends only on pseudo force or only on both together. What happen will determine tension, and tension will be different point. Now what they do is like At this instant, what happened? A wave is okay. Find this one. Then at any instant of time, somewhere wave is here. What is the speed of the wave? What is the expression for speed of the wave? T by mu. And if you know tension at this point, what is the wavelength of it? All are interrelated. The moment you calculate tension, it can be introduced to the elasticity or it can be mixed with wave science own chapter. Correlate tension.
2 mg.
Okay, is this correct? I'm just asking straight away. If I give Young's modulus, is this correct? Anybody wants to interpret? Let Y be the Young's modulus. Then is this correct?
No. Elastic potential energy will also be.
Elastic also has to be introduced here. Careful. Rather than asking numerical no, they they may test you. Then what happened to angular velocity in that case will become less no, because the elastic potential you are going to send on RHS. If you can of deformation of a rod, then this omega will be less than what we get it. More than an options. Be careful. Huh? Read this read the question. I'll set the diagram. Oh, 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 oh.